Morning students. Today we will do question number 7 of exercise 12.2. In this question we have a given information here. A kite in the shape of a square is made of 3 different shaded marks as first, second and third. You can see first is your A, B, D, second is your B, C, D and third part is your C, E and F. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? We have to find out how much paper is used. That means area of these 3 triangles. Triangle number 1 A, B, D, triangle number 2 B, C, D and triangle number 3 C, E, F. In this information it is given that the diagonal of this is given 32. That means this length is given 32. So if complete is given 32, obviously 16 we will here and 16 we will here. And this diagonal is also, so we will get 16 here and 16 here, but we will find that in solution also. And the third, which is tail of the kite, is 6, 6 and 8. That means 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. That means this is in your isosceles triangle whose 2 sides are equal. So we will find the paper required to make the kite. In this, diagonal is given 32 centimeters. So your AO is equals to half base into height. Or AO is equals to half of diagonal. Your AO is equals to your half multiply by your AC. It is clear? Half of AC, that is what? It will be your 1 upon 2 multiply by 32 is equals to your 16 centimeter. I have already written here 16 centimeter and 16 centimeter, but it is proved here now. Now leaving one line, we will have area of each shade. First part, your area of shaded part first, or area of first part, PART. First part is given, area of first part, that is of your triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is equals to what? We can take half base into height. Why we can take half into base into height? Why? Because this complete part is a base, which is 32, and this is the height, altitude, and this is 90 degrees, so altitude is here, so we can put here. So it is your half, base is what? Base we have 32 and height is what? Height we have 16. So 16 is equals to 256. Why? Because this 2 will be cancelled by this 32 16 times. So 16 are 256 centimeter square. Leaving one line, we will find out area of third part, that is of area of second part, PART part. Area of second part, what is second part? That is of your BCD. This is also half base into height, half base into altitude or height. So half base is what? Base is your 32 and height is what? Height is your 16. Again it will be your 256 centimeter square. So first and second part is 256. It is clear? Leaving one line, we will see the area of third part, that is of your area of third part. What is third part? That is of your triangle CEF, and it is what? It is an isosceles triangle. So to find isosceles triangles, area is what? Base upon, or your A by 4 under root 4 B square minus your A square. In this, your B is equals to sides and A is equals to your base. So your base is what? 8 by 4 under root your 4 side is what? 6 whole square minus your 8 whole square. It is clear? Now it is 4 2 times cancel, it is now 4 multiply 6 6 ja 36 minus 8 8 ja 64. Now it is 2 underscore 36 multiply by 4 4 6 ja 24 ka 2 4 3 ja 12 13 14 144 minus 64. Now it is your 2 multiply 2 under root subtraction will be gives you 80 centimeter square. So it is your 8 under root 5 centimeter square, and if you will put the value of 5 and multiply by 8, then it will be of 17.92 centimeter square. It is this part I will make you clear once again. From this to this, 80 can be divided into 80 can be 10. No need to write this. I am just going to explain you this from 80 to 5 how. You just pause the video and note it down. I will explain you